The injection technology used in the TGL and TGM is the most sophisticated one. A state-of-the-art common rail injection system with vertically positioned 7-jet injector nozzle. The latest generation of ED-C7 control units provide the controls of the system. Only this system ensures the best possible control of the fuel injection process. In each compression stroke, the injection quantity can be divided into pre-injection, 1, and main injection, 2. In some cases, a post-injection, 3, is used. The engines operate with an increased maximum injection pressure of more than 1,800 bar in order to reduce the soot particles inside the engine. The engine runs extremely quietly and noise emissions are low due to the pre-injection, 1. The common rail system also supplies considerable advantages in torque, particularly at low speeds. At all engine ratings, the favourable progression of torque across a wide range of engine speeds makes driving economical and requires very few gear shifts.